Good afternoon, Con here with Techout. Today we're going to be removing a 5 GHz Wi-Fi antenna from this iPhone 6 Plus. I was working on this 6 Plus and I had to remove the battery because the battery was bad, and with that came the cable for the Wi-Fi antenna, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi antenna that's on the top corner here. So I need to remove this antenna so we can replace it. So to do that, all you need to do is remove this top bracket right up here, holding in the connectors. So we're going to put that aside. So just remove that bracket. There's usually 2 screws in there, but I've already started the process, so there is only 1 in there right now. Then there would be a screw right here where this gold circle is. I know it's kind of hard to see, right here where the screwdriver is. And then 2 more, 1 here and 1 here. Go ahead and remove those. They all use the same driver. I am using the 00 on the iFixit driver set. And then let's see. Oh, nope, sorry, there is 1 more right here. You do not need to remove this one. Wrong screw, it is the one down on the bottom here. That is the one with the little grounding plate on it. There you go. So there is your 5 GHz Wi-Fi antenna. Your connection would usually be right here. You can see where it broke off. I know it's kind of hard to see on the camera. Right there under that is where the wire would have been, which is the one that broke off right here. So all you need to do is order another 5 GHz antenna. They're about 10 bucks on eBay. No big deal. Screw it right back in, reverse of removal, and you are good to go. That's how you can replace a 5 GHz Wi-Fi antenna on the iPhone 6 Plus.